Good morning everyone, welcome to the Hoppers Down Under. Look at these bunch of hungry little ones, they're all waiting for Dad to put their greens in for the morning.
Yeah, hang on, with you in there. Go.
Go.
Come on, Casanova. Come on, Casanova. Cassie, come on. Okay, come on. Come on, hurry up. Good boy. Hey, you good boy? Come on. Yeah, you stay there. Alright, put you up here. Alright, you're quite happy? And just sort of make sure it's... There you are, young lads. There you are, come on. There's one. And come on, kids. Come on. Yeah, kids. Here's the other one. Yes, I know. Yummy. There you are. Here's the other part. Up, under. Yep. There you are. There's the other part. Come on. And get in there, you mongrels.
Thumbs up.
There you are. There's the greens for the morning. God, this looks like sky. Yeah, sky.
So who's the bums up? We got Casanova.
Casanova, sky.
The
And the
grey one.
Grey boy.
Yep.
You've got to change their water. Now to the field, right?
Yep, the teals.
Just one of these buggers. Kind of three amigos.
Yep. These are called three amigos. Look at this, look at them all waiting. Because it's green morning.
Come on. There you are, come on. Come on. And the last one, the field for the morning. In your box. Yeah, all right, Sam. Come on.
They're like semi-trained, aren't they?
Oh, Sam's trained, but Chris has got babies, well, eggs at the moment. Her partner's sitting with, she's going to have eggs. She's going to sit on her eggs.
Oh look at this bird fight over food. But that's been nothing unusual.
Got a cockroach in that one. Change that water.
Change these.
Yeah, got to change it.
Look how much the babies have grown.
Oh yeah.
They're beautiful. Oh look, we've got a little head poking out.
Have we?
Yeah, look, see guys, look.
That's the, oh yeah. Yeah, that's that new one.
Yeah,
they're all the greys we've got.
Yeah, they're grey babies. Look at them. From little things to they're getting bigger. I reckon about another 2 more weeks we might have them all out. Oh, look at these. They're gorgeous. Look, this is young Casanova. He's a pig. Just a little bit to finish off. These girls have just been fed as well. They're coming good escapees lately. They worked out a way how to get over the fence when they get free time out. Yeah, they're just grown so well, the girls. Haven't we, beautifuls? They've just been fed. These are the ones. They get carrot, corn, cabbage leaves, silver beet leaves. What else they get? And they got their mixture over there for their food. So they got the scratch mix. They're fresh water. They're happy girls. We'll get at least 5 eggs again today. We'll get 4 browns, and one of these little girls are giving us a white egg. But the one that's gone all funny on us at the moment, she's on the box. See, she's all the way. Let's see if we can get her. Mama G, she's on the nest again. Yep, she's gone all clack, 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 clack on us. But she's not going to have children, don't worry about that one. Because we've got no roosters. Yeah, no babies. Isn't that right, baby girls, hey? Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep cool. And enjoy your life. Bye.